Good morning class. In my past video what I discussed, that is Coulomb's law, means if two charges are kept apart within a distance of r, then if they are attracting each other or there is a repulsive force on each other, they are giving a repulsive force on each other, means that is depends on Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law's value is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square, where 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is free space permittivity, means when there is a charge, it depends on the permittivity of the medium. Permittivity means you are giving permission to the charge to flow through them. Clear? So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0's value is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton per Coulomb. Now let's go for a recapitulation, quick recapitulation on the units. What is that? Unit of force in SI system is Newton. Unit of charge in SI system is Coulomb. Unit of current in SI system is what? Ampere. Clear? That's all unit I need right now. So the previous part what I had discussed, that I had done from a board book, I will give the note. Right now I am starting my discussion from that ICSE books. Now onwards the discussion will be concentrated on ICSE book. As what I am following, I will tell you at that time what I am following. So let's go for the idea regarding, already in class 8 we had done that idea regarding charge. Means if I am saying that what is 1 Coulomb charge, what is 1 Coulomb charge, then what you will see, you are having this idea regarding Coulomb's law, that is F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square. Then what is 1 Coulomb? Means if I need here 1, so 1 Coulomb charge means I am doing right now. So F equal to F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square. Done. F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square. Now from this definition, if I want to say what is 1 Coulomb, so if I want this one, q1 q2 will be equal to what? F into r square, F into r square into 4 pi epsilon 0, yes or no? That is the thing. F into r square into 4 pi epsilon 0. Now what is the value of that 1 Coulomb? 1 Coulomb means if force in 1 Newton, the separation between two charges is 1 meter square, and if this value to constant is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Clear? So that charge will be 1 Coulomb. So if I want to say like that 1 Coulomb is that much quantity of charge which when placed 1 meter away from each other, then it experience a repulsive force of 9 into 10 to the power 9. Clear? So that is the charge. 1 Coulomb charge is that charge. If you are keeping that amount of charge, if you are keeping that two charge 1 meter apart from one another, so the repulsive force between these two will be what? 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton. Clear? So that is the 1 Coulomb charge. So that is definition. Now the thing is that already in class 8 we had studied, that is what is current. Current is what? Current is if through a object, through a matter, electrons are flowing. So charge, number of charge flowing through a object per unit time. So that is what that is called current. Number of charge flowing through number of charge flowing through a substance per unit time, that is current. Means what? If you are having a conductor, so electrons are flowing through it. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 electrons are flowing. So this is 5 q charge are flowing. Suppose time taken t equal to 5 seconds. So current I will be equal to 5q by t. Clear? So that is the current. So current is what? Charge per unit time is current. So always denoted as I equal to capital Q by small t, where I is the current and Q is for charge and T is for time. So capital Q by T. What is the unit of current? Actually Q, value of Q is what? Coulomb. That unit of charge is coulomb. So it is actually coulomb per second. So together coulomb per second is called ampere. This is also from one scientist name. That is unit of current is either you will say coulomb per second or ampere, whatever is for your preference. Clear? Now when a charge is flowing through a metal, clear? So means what? From one side to another side it is flowing. Clear? One side to another side it is flowing. Now like heat is flowing from where? From high temperature zone to low temperature zone. Clear? Heat is flowing from what? From high temperature zone to low temperature zone heat is flowing. Clear? So what? Like that, if you are having flow of current, so that time also I need that one side should be in high potential, another side should be in low potential. Now I am telling potential. What is potential? Clear? So I am going for that idea. What is potential? So if I am going for the concept of potential, suppose we are having a positively charged body. This is a highly positively charged object. Now I am taking a small charge q. Clear? Now this charge I want to keep my charge here. So I need to bring this charge from here to here. This much distance I need to cover. The problem is that if I am having an allocation of charge surrounding that charge, there should be a electric field. Clear? Depending on the nature of the charge, there will be a electric field. Means this charge already having a electric field, huge electric field. Now I want to bring this charge from this to this. So I need to do some work to bring from here to here. Clear? So the amount of work I am doing to keeping my charge from here to here. So actually I am doing what? I am changing the position of the object. Clear? So I am doing some work done. So that work done is here called that potential. Clear? So for keeping one charge from here to here, I am doing a work. Another charge from here to here, I am doing another work. So this all together is called potential. So this potential is the work done per charge. Means to bring one charge, how much work I am doing, that is the potential. Clear? That is called potentials. To bring one positive test charge, small positive test charge from infinity to a point near the vicinity. Vicinity means what? Very close to this charge. Near the vicinity of a electric field or charge, how much work I am doing, that is the potential. Potential, remember, always denoted by V. So V equal to W by Q. Q is the charge. This charge what I am bringing from here to here. W is the amount of work I am doing to bring this charge. This is the potential. So amount of work done is here. W equal to what? V into Q. Amount of work done is W equal to V into Q. Clear? So this is the potential. Now in before discussion of potential, we are going for what? Potential difference. So potential difference is what? If I am in a electric field, within a electric field, I am doing some work from to bring one charge from one point to another point. Just recall this diagram. I am having this conductor. This conductor having when charge is flowing, suppose negative charge is flowing, so it having an electric field. Clear? So I am bringing charge, one positive charge from here to here, from A point to B point. So I need to do some work. So from this point to this point to bring within an electric field, it is what? From infinity to the vicinity of the charge, to very close to the vicinity of the charge if I am doing something. So that is the potential. Potential difference is what? The work done between any 2 points. Suppose this is A, B. So I am bringing this charge from here to here. What is the difference between potential and potential difference? In case of potential, I am bringing one charge or two charge from infinity within the vicinity of the charge, not means no, within the electric field. I am keeping taking the charge, and within the electric field. Now I am in the electric field. Now I am moving from here to here. Means right now I am within the electric field. So amount of work done is needed to keep myself from one point to another point. That is called what? That is called the potential difference. So the difference in potential from here to here bring the charge, amount of work done we are doing, that is called the potential difference. So here potential is V. So potential difference will be VA minus VB will be W by Q. Means to bring one charge from here to here, how much work I am doing within the electric field, that is called potential difference. Okay, thank you.